If you want to upgrade the 3157 bulbs in your tail light to get a brighter light, a crisper light, then this video will cover that. So the first thing we want to do is remove the tail lamp from the bed. You'll have two screws here, so all you got to do is undo those. And then we'll pull the tail lamp straight out. And then you'll notice you got all the bulb holders here, and you just want to twist them to the left and pull it straight out. So, and then don't forget you've got a little marker light down here, same principle. So turn it to the left, pull it out. To the left, pull it out. To the left, pull it out. To the left, and pull it out. Now it's really sunny, but I want to try to give you an idea what that light looks like before we switch it out with the LEDs. So, pretty typical. And if you have anything trapped in your tail light, now's the time to try to get whatever it is out. Alright. So, what we're going to be replacing these standard bulbs with are these LEDs from Auto One. And here there's a pack of two, and these are just going to be the normal LEDs. And then this is going to be your red. So the only difference is these will have red LEDs, whereas these are just the normal. Okay, so we'll just pull these out. Just be careful you don't break the bulb itself. If you don't plan on reusing it, you could just use your fingers. Otherwise, you're going to want to wear some latex gloves to get those out. Ooh, that sucker's in there. And no, you don't have to disconnect the battery to do this. Wow, this sucker's in tight. There's no telling how long these bulbs have been in the tail light. Okay, finally. So, just in case you have the same problem, you got these tabs that hold it in like that, and all I did was just move it out just a little bit to kind of work them loose, and that's how I got them out. Alright, so we're going to want the red on top. So slide this dude in. Make sure it's in there good. And then these other two. Okay. And then this, I'm going to have to just get a replacement for it. But before we do anything, as far as putting it all back together, we'll test them out. Looks like everything tested out fine, so we'll go ahead and install the bulbs into the tail lamp. Then we'll repeat the process on the driver's side, and then we'll test them out. All right, brake lights. Again. Reverse. Driver blinker light. Passenger blinker light. Four-way. All right. So let's check out just how bright these lights are. I'm going to turn this camera the other way so you can see just how much it illuminates. Putting on the brakes and then hitting reverse. I can tell you from being inside the truck, looking in my side view mirror, how much brighter it is on the reverse lights. Sweet. I didn't know this, but those brake lights does this flashing thing. I wasn't stepping on the brakes like that. I just put my foot down on the brake and it flashes. Pretty cool. But also when I turn the turn signal on, you'll see those brake lights flashing a little bit. So I don't know if I like that or not, but this is a pretty easy upgrade to do. So I'll have the links in the description box if you'd like to try these out yourself. For what they are, they're pretty inexpensive, and Auto One, they're pretty known throughout the industry. So hopefully this was helpful to you, and if you have any questions or comments, please put them in the drop box below. Other than that, you have yourself a terrific day, and we'll see you.